I just checked the weather. It's gonna be 0 tonight and 1 tomorrow night. These are really cold temperatures, and these are the temperatures that pipes will freeze and break. Maybe they're in an exterior wall. Maybe your house has a broken furnace, or maybe you just bought a house and you haven't had a chance to turn the utilities on. I'm going in my laundry room here. I have one pipe that's in my wall. See, it's behind my laundry sink. And it goes into the exterior wall. When it gets into single digits, I get a little concerned. Pipes bursting could be a big old mess as they start to thaw, because that's when it really starts to flow and spray everywhere. Here's a simple trick that you can do. I'm putting on my sink. I'm making it drip ever so lightly. This is a quick way to help avoid pipe freeze until you can move that pipe out of the wall, like this one. You can do the same thing if you've lost power in your furnace. I would do it with a hot water line and a cold water line, just making sure that the flow just keeps going, because you don't want your hot water tank to freeze either. I'm Randi Vaughn, and this is your Hot Minute Real Estate Tip. See you next time.